Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be talking about the freehand speed control. Our trigger switch is designed with a freehand speed control, meaning that the further the trigger is depressed, the higher the strokes per minute. And strokes per minute meaning how many strokes the blade takes every minute. If I squeeze the trigger a small amount, we have a speed that it is given. If I squeeze the trigger all the way, it's given much more speed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly depress the trigger and increase speed. You can tell both by sight and by sound that it is increasing speed.